Have you ever wondered why endangered species became endangered? Sometimes it's because of natural causes or other animals, but usually it's because of us. There are about 1 million, yes, you heard me right, 1 million different species of animals that could go extinct right now because of us. We're taking away their natural habitats, hunting them, and even our garbage is killing them. About 100,000 marine life and 1 million seabirds die every year due to our plastic. Just put yourself in an animal's shoes. You're just a bird minding your own business in your nest up in a tree. All of a sudden, your tree gets cut down so a rich person can live in a huge mansion. And then all of the trees around you start getting cut down, and now you and all of your neighbors have nowhere to live. Here's another example. Pretend you're an animal like maybe a deer, and then you see another deer and notice someone behind a tree. All of a sudden, they jump out, kill the deer, take its fur, and make it into a rug. That's basically what we're doing to animals, and people think it's okay. We need to learn to treat our animals better. Here's a sad thought. About 150 million land animals are killed each year for food, but that's nothing. 3 billion animals die every day. Some of the reasons these animals are dying include being hunted, disease, natural causes, other animals, pollution, habitat loss, and rabies. Let's get back to the habitat loss. Climate change is another thing that's causing a lot of animal species to die off. It's causing ice and glaciers to melt, which is really impacting some animals. A good example of this is polar bears. Here's an example of what's happening to polar bears. Their habitat is getting smaller and melting, and they're dying because of that. And to think it's happening because of us. Do you really want this to continue, causing innocent animals to die because of our mistakes? Why don't we just stop? Some of the reasons we aren't stopping include greed, money, and for food. However, there are some ways we could help. First of all, if we protect the habitats of endangered species, they won't become extinct. Another thing we could do is to help with plastic is this. So if you used 1 water bottle a day, every day for 1 month, it would look like that. But if you didn't do that, if you used a reusable water bottle, then that wouldn't be the case. Another thing you could do is, so this company named Saltwater Brewery in Florida started using these things called edible 6-pack rings, which they made, so instead of killing sea creatures, it feeds them. And another thing we could do is if adults all used reusable coffee mugs, there wouldn't have to be all those disposable coffee cups. And even with shopping bags, if we all just used reusable shopping bags, there wouldn't be all those plastic ones in the water. Even with drinking straws, if we all used reusable drinking straws, all of those plastic ones wouldn't kill animals. Some cities are even banning those, which is really helping. In conclusion, if we protect animals that need protection and we don't overuse plastic, the animals simply won't die off. Thank you.